All right, I think we are live, guys. I'm super excited. It's been a while and I'm finally back. So the stream got banned, or the channel got banned. In case you guys were not aware, I've been keeping you guys up to date on Discord and Twitter. But yeah, the channel got banned yesterday. I filed an appeal, and surprisingly to me, it actually went through, and they did actually approve my unbanning. So I'm really surprised, honestly, but I'm really happy that this is what happened. So, yeah, this is really cool, guys. All right, let me send all my notifications out. Y'all know what I do. Discord got a massive revamp, which I will talk about that in a bit. But yeah, overall, I think everything's going really well. Let's go ahead and dive in. Sorry for being late, guys. I went ahead and cashed out some crypto, and I bought a new car. So yeah, I'm really happy about that as well. So if you guys have been following me on Twitter or Discord and all that good stuff, you guys have been in the know that that is something that happened, and I think I am ready to get started. Let's go ahead and dive right in. So, hey, there I am. How are y'all doing? Awesome. Okay, let me go ahead and get my comments up so I can see you guys. So I have a whole process I have to go through, but I'm really excited to be here. I'm really excited to be on YouTube. I'm blown away that I actually am here. So, Deep Slice, hey brother, how you doing, man? Awesome. So, lots and lots have happened over the last few days. Market's been, guys, it's going to plan. Like, this is exactly what we've been expecting. So, hope you guys are making a ton of cash. I really hope you do. There's plenty of opportunity. If you haven't made money, I don't know what to tell y'all, because, like, I've been laying this crap out step by step. Oh my gosh, it's going so well. Let's see, what are the big ones? Oh my gosh, ACH. Guys, look at this. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful tap of our golden pocket. Perfect steps. Oh man. Let's see what else we got. Adam's taking off. Bitcoin. Okay, so look at this. I know I haven't really got into it much, but look at this. Daily breaker. You guys have seen this chart how many freaking times, right? You have seen this chart so many times. I've listed out step by step, right? Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, moon, right? Step 3, look. Daily breaker. These two levels right here. Where did we reject off of just today? Surprise. Interesting. Who could have seen that coming? Who could have seen that coming? Very interesting, right? I'm telling you guys, this stuff works, guys. Good call on ACH. Hey, thanks, brother. You're damn right, man. That was a beautiful call. I'm super happy. Let's go over that call real quick, actually. And let's go over that call. Let me show you why I did it, etc. Let's go ahead and dive in real quick. Oh, yeah, that's my new truck. Look at that. Hell yeah, guys. This is beautiful. Look at that sucker. So, crypto has been very nice to me. So, yeah, very happy to get that truck today. That's why I'm late today. I've been trying to get this damn thing paid out. They didn't have nearly enough staff on hand, so it took me a long time. But, yeah, I'm really happy about that. Where's mine about? Oh, yeah, so there's the... Oh, man. Gosh. EOS, let's see. Oh, EOS looks good. Freaking ZEC looks amazing. Okay, look at this, guys. August 7th, right here. See this? If you don't think I'm going to take this play at the golden pocket 4-hour breaker, you're out of your freaking mind. Okay, look at the levels right here. Okay, this is August 7th. It is currently August 21st. Okay, August 7th, I said it's going to bounce right here. And look what happened. Let's go to ACH. Where's it at? ACH. Interesting, right? Really interesting spot where it would bounce there. It's almost like technical analysis works really well. Okay? Golden pocket. 618 to 65 is generally the golden pocket. I have pretty recently started also including the 702 in the golden pocket. And this came down and got between the 65 and the 702. Beautiful spot. Perfect bounce. Guys, if you made money on ACH, give me a holler in the chat. I want to see you guys telling me y'all are making money in this. Oh, look at this. We are above this daily breaker. Holy shit, this looks amazing. See that right there? Beautiful. Daily breaker. Next daily breaker. Wait, let me fix that. All right, cool. So as long as we hold this daily breaker, guys, and it closes in 12 hours and 59 minutes, if we hold above here, you already know that this thing's accelerating. Like that's it. It's accelerating. Let's see if we got anything else in the lower time frame. Oh man, guys, there's nothing here. This is amazing. This is super, super good. Look at the ACH BTC. Woo, look at that. Oh man. Why did I pick that region? I wonder why. Let's go ahead and figure out why I did that. Maybe, just maybe, it was the golden pocket region. My gosh, guys, I'm telling you, this stuff is cheating. Golden ratio retracements are cheating. I will always take this opportunity every single time. Like, you can't not take a golden pocket retracement like that, especially after a, how much of a rush increase was this? Price range to here. Yeah, only a 12,000% increase. Do you think I'm not going to take a golden pocket retracement? You are out of your freaking mind. So, of course, I took that play. Oh, man, guys, this is awesome. All right, cool. So, let's talk about what happened. So, let's go back to Twitter real quick. I'm going to tell you guys why I'm so damn happy right now. Because I got banned on YouTube. I got banned right here. See this? Hi, RTBro's Academy. We have reviewed your content and found severe or repeated violations of the community guidelines. What? Look at this. Insane. Because I'm doing spam, scans, or commercially deceptive content are not allowed on YouTube. Guys, y'all know that's absolutely horse shit. We all know this, right? So, sure enough, I went ahead and appealed it, and I had no faith in the system. None, right? So, I just broke 2,000 subs, and then the same day, got the ban. Oh, man. So, I did my appeal, and look at this. We have re-reviewed your account and have concluded it's not in violation of our terms of service. Yeah, no shit, right? We know this. But however, there we are right there, guys. We are now no longer banned on YouTube. It lasted about 24 hours. But man, there has been, I don't know, guys. But either way, we're back now. We are back, and I'm super, super excited. I really, really do appreciate everyone who posts on social media for me. If you're in my Discord supporting me, I really do appreciate that. It really, really opened my eyes, though, man. I really got terrified because, like, this was a lot, guys. Like, as you guys know, I'm on YouTube all the time, right? So, like, that was it. They just banned me all of a sudden. My entire source of revenue, my entire source of discovery, all that was done, guys. That was it. So, I'm definitely starting to do some things to try to make sure that I branch out and not just be so focused on YouTube. So, yeah, I'll talk about that later. All right. Either way, let's go ahead and we're going to dive in and we are going to talk about the market, some big things that I'm looking at right now, and do some chart requests. Y'all know what I do, right? Y'all know what I do. I want to do some chart requests with you guys, see what's going on. Hopefully we get some really good opportunities out there, make you guys a lot of money, and yeah, cool. So let's see, where are we at? Let's see. Well, y'all know how we do it, guys. Let's go to our technicals, and we'll go down the list, right? We keep this stuff, we keep this stuff systematic and logical. All right. Mr. King, let me make this very clear, okay? This is not my only source of revenue. Make it very clear. I'm a commercial drone pilot, and I travel across the country. So I actually do make a lot of revenue from that. I'm also in the military, and I have other sources of revenue, right? What I'm saying, though, is the YouTube is my only source of revenue outside of my main job, right? So that's what I was meaning on that. No, this is not all I do. However, I have done really, really well in crypto, so technically I probably could just live off that, but no, guys, I don't want to do that. So I got to have a real job as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So on the market, or the Bitcoin dominance, so we know what this chart is. We know how it works. So on here, the higher the number goes, the more money's in Bitcoin. The lower it goes, the more money that's leaving Bitcoin going into the altcoin market. So we like seeing it drop. So what have we had? We've had a large drop from March until April. Once it came down here, we have bounced to the upside in a very rising wedge or bear flag manner, maybe, right? Looks like maybe a bear flag. Impulse down, correct the structure outward. And I said, hey, I think we're going to do something like this. And I've had this chart drawn for a very long time. So what happened, guys? Of course, we came down here. We broke down from the rising wedge. Interesting. Came back up, retested the rising wedge. Interesting. And now we are dropping down with haste, and money is flowing into our altcoins and making us a lot of cash, right? This is exactly what we've been wanting to see, and it's been going exactly the way we've been hoping for. So this is perfect, guys. Now, the main level right now, we're currently looking at the 3-day level. So the 3-day level is the last level we have. This is it. So right now we are currently finding support at this 3-day level, but if we fall through, and my personal thought is when we fall through, we are going to accelerate down to the downside. And why do I think that? Because the only level that's left is this weekly level, and we've already tested it twice. So I think that alts are about to accelerate very rapidly. And yeah, it's going to be a really, really good opportunity. Look at this. Retest, too. Holy shit, I just realized this. Look at this retest. So this is a weekly level. Okay, weekly breaker. Cut it across here. This weekly candle went up here, tapped it, and now it's continuing to back to the downside. See? Look at that tap. Where did it reject? Weekly breaker. Crazy, right? Damn. Absolutely insane how well these charts work out. Telling you guys, don't overthink it. These breakers are money, guys. These things are absolute money. So we are now dropping the downside in a haste. It looks great. Looks amazing. This 3-day level needs to fall. Once it falls, and then we're going to accelerate very rapidly down. And then we're going to have our massive, massive, explosive movements that we've been waiting for so dang long. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and dive into our total 2 chart, because you guys know this is the other sign of the altcoin market. This is the other one we must be careful of. And like always, I'm going to explain what this chart does. We have our massive increase, right? We have these 1, 2, 3 breakers were established, right? This one and this one are our primary ones, but this one's also significant. Well, we got up here, dropped down below this one, found support at these 2 breakers. Right? It's not just this breaker, it's this breaker too. How do I know that? Because we never actually closed below this breaker. So we came down here, dropping the breaker, dropping the breaker, dropping the breaker. However, we did a sweep of the low. We did a 3-strike pattern, and now we are continuing to the upside. Well, the main thing I was looking for is for us to clear this weekly breaker, because this is what provided the resistance on this increase, and it dropped back down. However, like I expected it to do, it did rise through here. It broke through our major level, and now we're continuing to the upside. Maybe a lot like this arrow that I drew a long time ago. So it's working. We have not got a proper retest yet, so I'm still expecting a massive drop into this level. Make that very clear. I still think that a drop in this level would not only be expected, it'd be healthy. I do want to see this drop, retest, continuation up. That's really what I want to see for us to be completely sold the bull markets here, okay? We have not gotten this retest like I drew out a long time ago, so I really, really, really want to see that. Will it be violent? Yes. Will it liquidate a lot of people? Yes. Will it make you guys freak the hell out and think we're going back to zero? Yes, absolutely, right? And that's the time I'm buying, when we get that retest in this major weekly level. Everyone's going to be selling their coins to me dirt cheap, and I'm going to make out like a bandit, all right? I cannot wait for this drop. I really, really, really do hope it happens. And if not, there's what it is, right? Maybe we just continue back up, but I really don't think that's the most likely scenario. The only way that I'm going to say that we are above it, ooh, look at this right here. I just noticed this. We have a breaker right here on the daily, and we just tapped it. Interesting. So maybe this is as high as we get before our massive drop down. Okay, and I think this actually makes a lot of sense because of our Bitcoin pairing, which I will talk about very soon. I think we're going to get a pretty decent drop on the total 2 chart. That's a really interesting thing. Okay, cool. Let's look at DXY. Oh my gosh, it's freaking, oh, damn it, stupid coin. All right, so the DXY, let's talk about this real quick. So the DXY is dollar currency index. You're probably thinking, well, why the hell do I care about the dollar currency index? Because I trade crypto. Well, yeah, I do. However, it's been proven time and time again that the dollar currency index is actually an inverse chart to Bitcoin or the crypto market as a whole. It's an inverse chart to the crypto market. Well, when this goes up, usually crypto goes down and vice versa. Right now, crypto is going up as the DXY goes up. This is against the normal trend, and since we are showing a lot of strength right now in the dollar chart, that's a little bit concerning. It actually is. So, I don't know what to think about this yet. I just saw it, and it does not look healthy. Or it looks really healthy, which is bad, right? The reason why I'm saying it's look really healthy, we have this meme. You have the meme head and shoulders right here. We've broken up from the trend line. This level, this trend line right here has a lot of significance on the high time frame. So we're now above it. We broke down from the falling wedge. We broke down, or the rising wedge, we broke down from it. However, we've reclaimed it, retested this trend line, and now continuing up. Right now, we're currently finding resistance on the rising wedge bottom trend line, but this does not look very good. I don't know if this is going to hold, honestly. I think it might bust right through, and that's not good. So DXY actually is giving us signs that crypto might be in for some trouble. Yeah, I think crypto is actually in for some trouble based upon this. Yeah, interesting. Okay, well, we're gonna keep looking at this, guys. This was a monthly level, I thought. No, weekly, 3-day. I think it's monthly. I think it's weekly. I think I just messed this up somehow. Oh, I see. These two together created our massive support resistance flop. Got it. Okay. Well, damn. My primary bias right now is a drop, guys. I think that makes the most sense. And let me show you guys why, exactly what I'm looking for in this stream. But just understand that I think that a drop may be very likely, actually. Down right here. Continue up. That's my primary bias right now. And I'll explain why in detail. But I think a drop's coming. I really do. The more I think about it, the more I think it's coming. Yep, that'd be really healthy. Bitcoin dominance. It's currently in between these two supports. Bitcoin looks bad right now. I'm telling you right now, Bitcoin looks bad. Yeah, I think we're going to have some volatility very soon. Interesting. All right, and the reason, so as far as this, let's look at one more thing. Let's look at the shorts and longs. Okay, longs are decreasing, which is not a good sign again, right? We want longs to increase. You're like, oh, but my long squeeze or my short squeeze. No, like longs. So I want to see a lot of longs open, okay? And the reason why, long positions, especially in bulk, are done by whales, right? And so what a long is basically saying, hey, the whales are expecting the price to increase, and usually whales are right. So when there's a lot of longs open, that tells me that that that's going to continue. The price is going to continue to increase because whales are opening up more longs. I don't like longs dropping. I don't. That is not healthy to me. I like to see a lot more longs. Let's look at the shorts. And shorts are very gradually increasing. They're not by much. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that does not look good. That's a hell of a drop. I had the log chart on, which makes it not so aggressive, but yeah, it's definitely aggressive. Shorts are at an all-time low, which is really, really good. All right, so we have some conflicting signs on here. I want to see more longs, less shorts. Okay, I really do. But we already have very, very few shorts. So, yeah, I know that's a really weird tangent I just went on, but essentially I like seeing a lot of longs open, and I do not like seeing a lot of shorts open. I want to see as few shorts as possible. Yeah, your short squeeze is very, very rare, believe it or not. So usually short squeezes don't happen, especially on these major coins like this, and usually whales are right. DXY, Ethereum dominance. Let's look at the Dow. I haven't looked at that. What is today anyway? Saturday? Yeah. All right. No movement on the Dow. 50 moving average is still holding it up. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, Dow still looks fine. It doesn't look great. I'm not going to lie. I don't. Oh, man. I don't like where it closed at this week. This weekly close is not nice. This weekly is holding us up. Interesting. I don't know how I feel about this yet. I'm still thinking. So yeah, I don't really do much analysis on the stock market, but overall, I don't think it looks that healthy right now. It looks like we're starting to top off. So it looks like to me. It's rounding at the top. I don't know how much longer it's going to go. All right, either way, let's go ahead and dive right into my Bitcoin. How is Bitcoin doing? Well, we've already talked about this a little bit, but let's keep going into it. So on Bitcoin, as you guys know, we have a weekly breaker right here. I said this is step one. We need to get above the weekly breaker, and we need to retest it. We never really got to retest it that much of a retest, but it is what it is. We also never touched the monthly open. At this point, I really hope we don't come down this low because that would be terrifying. After that, step two is the 200 moving average. And as you guys see, we came up here, tested it, got back above it, tested it, lost it, got back above, lost it. And now we're solidly above the 200 moving average. We've accelerated from it the last couple or 2 or 3 days, which is great, right? I love seeing that. However, right now we are currently at this daily breaker level. So we have closed the CME gap, which actually is bearish. Okay, because that means this gap is closed, means there's no more bullish pressure to close that gap. So now we're at this daily breaker, and the daily breakers are step 3. We're currently testing it right now. It does not look so good. Yeah, so it's currently at the daily breaker. We've rejected it so far. That is not good. I'm not a big fan of this, so I really want to see it get above there. So once we get above step 3, we have 2 major Fibonacci levels. Okay. 2 major Fibonacci levels. Let me show you guys what this is. So if you go to the Fibonacci Retracement tool, okay, and you go from the, let me go to the magnet, go from the very top down to the very bottom, we have these levels. Why is this level not matching up? There's a golden pocket retracement. Why is this not matching up? Did I miss it the first time? I think I did. What did I do wrong here? I don't know what I did wrong, but yeah, it did not match up the way I was wanting it to. So we adjusted a little bit. I don't know how I did that. Yeah, from the very top to the bottom, okay? This is the Fibonacci retracement, which this means is that you have this massive drop, and this is the area where it's most likely to reject, okay? You have the 618 to 65 region called the golden pocket, and then you have the 702 retracement, which is also a major level. These are the most likely scenarios where if there's nothing else there, these are the most likely levels where you're going to have a major drop. And we haven't touched there yet, but this is the area I'm expecting a lot of people to take a ton of profits. Okay, so right now, I will probably take some profits as well. Some of my alts. Maybe. I don't know yet. I don't know how I feel yet. I might take some profit on my alts. If I'm in Bitcoin, I'm absolutely taking profit at this level because Bitcoin, I can't say will, but is most likely to reject at this level, right? And the 702 is also another level that a lot of people look at. So those are my 2 levels I think a lot of people will take a lot of profits at. Now, if we get above the daily breaker and we get above the 702, okay, then we're looking at this 3-day point of breakdown, which is right here. Let's go ahead and get rid of the Fibonacci retracement tool. 3-day point of breakdown. This is our last. This is the last step for bears to step in. That's it. There is no more levels. Okay. If it gets above here, this thing is going to absolutely explode upwards, and I don't think it will be a minor thing either. One thing I'm looking at right now is the volume sucks. Let's look at other ones. Yep, volume sucks. Volume is Binance.us. I don't care about that. Bybit, don't care about that. Binance, volume sucks. Not a fan of this volume, guys. Ooh, this is concerning. I am really thinking we're going to have a pretty decent drop soon. So there's a rule. Volume reading volume on charts, rising volume, rising price. Well, let's just look at that. Yeah. Look at this. So essentially, here's what you're doing, right? I'm trying to find it for us. Exhaustion moves, volume history. Yeah, all right, I'm really showing us. Here are the rules, okay? I'm going to write this out for us, okay? I'm going to write this out so you guys can all pay attention because this is some major alpha right here, okay? All right, rising price on rising volume is bullish, okay? Decreasing price on rising volume is bearish. Rising price on decreasing volume is bearish. And decreasing, oh my gosh, I can't talk today. On decreasing volume is bullish. Okay, so these are the rules right here. I want you guys to all look at this and fully understand it, okay? Rising price on rising volume is bullish. That means if the price is going up and the volume is also high, that's bullish, okay? I'm sure I could find plenty of coins on here to show you that. Let's go to ACH. I'm sure it's on there. ACH. Okay. Not this one, though. There we go. Okay. Look. On this chart, as it was rising, what was happening? Volume was increasing. You see, I see that? Rising price, rising volume. Volume is going up. As it's going up, this is bullish. Okay? Now, decreasing price on decreasing volume, okay, is also bullish. Okay? Decreasing price on decreasing volume. See how it's very low volume over here? That's also bullish. That's why I'm saying, hey, it's going to reverse, right? We're going in the golden pocket. We have decreasing volume. This looks bullish, okay? However, look over here. This is rising price, but look at this. This volume is depressingly low. That's not good. Okay, this is not good. That's not good volume. This is not showing a continuation volume. This is a continuation volume. This one's not. So right now, it's still consolidating. Okay, this actually looks like a bearish volume profile relative. So, I can find a ton of other examples. And another good example, and this is actually a reason why I was able to call this stuff out. So let's go to Binance. It's a good chart to look at. All right, look. Wait, is Binance? It's Coinbase. Let's go to the daily. That's probably what I'm looking at. Sorry, guys. Work with me for a second. I'm going to give you guys some major alpha today, I promise you. So be patient. But I'm going to give you guys some major alpha. Okay. All right. Look at this in a bubble. Okay. It's hard to see. Damn it. It's really hard to see. Come on. What is going on today? All right. It's not perfect, but it's going to give you an idea. Okay. So essentially, look at this drop right here. Okay. This had relatively high volume. This just doesn't look very good. In the moment, because I have this other little this massive drop that's really ruining it. Okay, this will work better. So look right here, okay? This drop right here. Where were the massive volume spikes? On the down candles. You guys see that? It dropped, down candle, massive spike. This told me, hey, we're not done, because look at this right here. This consolidation was what? It was medium or neutral volume. It was very low. Drop again, right? And what was this? Once again, neutral volume. Then this entire increase right here. See this? Entire increase right here. The highest buy volume we had was right here. And all this other red stuff right here was all the sell volume. So what I'm trying to point out here is that we had no buy volume here. All this was sell volume. This is called distribution, or it's called consolidation, distribution or consolidation. So because we had low volume on this increase, this was a major sign that it was about to get really, really bad. And of course, obviously it did, right? We saw that. So, and like as soon as it started dropping, look at that, higher volume than anywhere else back here, okay? This volume is what's really giving off the key. So right now, we had very low volume in this entire area. And this is one of my main reasons as to why I was super bullish in this area, okay? You guys go back and look at my videos. I swear to you guys, I was bullish as hell anywhere in here. Okay, you guys can go back. I did multiple videos on it. So, wait, what? Oh, okay, got it. YouTube. You guys go back through here. I was super bullish, guys. Okay, back to videos. Go over here. Yada yada yada. What? 1 month ago. Look, 8 reasons why Bitcoin is bullish. Okay, this video I recorded this sucker July 8th. July 8th, right here. Okay, you see that? At $32,000, I said, hey, Bitcoin looks really, really good and you should be buying here. Okay? Yeah, like this entire time I was saying, yeah, look, reasons why I'm still bullish on Bitcoin, this entire area. Yes, there's a bullish case. Look at this, guys. Like, yes, I'm still bullish. Let me show you why. Still bullish. Like, guys, I don't know what to tell you, all right? So this volume profile is very, very important. And so right now, I'm telling you right now, guys, this volume is not bullish. It's not. This is not bullish volume right now. This looks bearish as hell. We're having rising price on very low volume. This looks bad, okay? Yeah, guys, I don't know what to tell you guys. This looks really bad. So, interesting. All right. Yeah, I think it looks really bad. Shit. I'm probably going to have to dump some of my positions. I think I'm going to. Look, we even have a freaking rounded top up here. Oh, man. I don't think we're going to get much higher. We came up here. We tapped this major breaker. I said this is step 3. We need to get above here. And right now, we're showing a lot of weakness right now. Damn. I'm probably going to dump a lot of my positions. See if I can get anything lower. How do I want to play this? All right, so yeah. Guys, I don't know what to say, guys. This looks really crappy. Well, let's talk about support levels, right? That's a major thing. We have to look at support, see where we're at. This should act as a pretty major support level. It's really, really large, though. It's not really very consolidated, so probably got to find something a little tighter. There is none. There's nothing tighter. Awesome. That's all we got. We might find support here. I don't hate this. There's some confluence there. It's not bad. We might find some support there. I think it's very likely we find support at the 200. Very likely. I think I would probably start scaling back in if we do get this major drop. I think that 45,000 be a nice spot to get in on. Right there. I like this. I think that makes a lot of sense. So, yeah, 200 moving average daily. That'd be a really good spot to get in on. Do I say bear market starts now? Okay, whoa. Slow down. I want to make this very clear, guys, okay? Do we have confirmation? No. Okay? Do we know how far it's going to drop, if at all? No. What I'm saying is on the macro level, okay? Macro level, Bitcoin does not look good. Are we crashing right now? No. It looks like shit right now, though. Yeah, macro level, Bitcoin does not look good. I'm saying that right now. Does not, okay? But what we're looking at is we're trying to see whether or not our alts are going to hold up, okay? We want to look at this. We want to look at our overall Bitcoin dominance and see whether or not altcoin dominance going to be trending up or not, or Bitcoin dominance trending up or not. Right now, it looks like as Bitcoin's dropping, Bitcoin dominance is actually increasing, which means the alts are actually hurting right now. And here's the important thing about this. I've talked about for days, guys, days, weeks, okay? This is what my expectations were. I said I want to drop in this level, okay? Like, I've said this for a very, very long time. I want to see it drop into here. This is where I want to buy at, okay? So what this means on the individual coins, that is all dependent upon it, right? Are there a lot of coins that still look really good? Absolutely, right? Are there some that are going to excel despite despite if Bitcoin does drop? Yes, right? And I've talked about as well during my parabolic alt season starts now video, how just because Bitcoin's dropping does not mean the entire market is going to drop, okay? For instance, good example, if you go over here, okay, go to the daily, this entire region right here, from March until May, Bitcoin did nothing. We're in March to May. Let's do this actually. I'm going to do a 2-in-1 chart. Okay. We have that. Where's it at? Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Let's go to the daily. There we go. All right, cool. Take off the log chart. Okay, let's see. This is March. This is March. All right, March. Trying to adjust it, make it look perfect. There we go, just like that. Perfect. You guys see this, right? Bitcoin was doing consolidation right here, right? What was Ethereum doing? Ethereum, from here to here, the bottom of this peak to the top of this peak, this went 252%. Bitcoin went, same period, 39% up. Okay? Bitcoin went 39% up. Ethereum went 252% up. Okay? So what I'm saying here is that although these coins look similar in a lot of ways, they don't go exactly the same. Just because Bitcoin has a rough time does not mean the rest of the market's going to have a rough time as well. Originally, they both had these drops, right? Anytime that Bitcoin dropped, see this, how it's matching? When Bitcoin dropped, so did Ethereum, okay? When Bitcoin dropped, so did Ethereum. When Bitcoin dropped, so did Ethereum. You guys see this, right? When Bitcoin dropped, so did Ethereum. And then eventually, when Bitcoin dropped, Ethereum also crashed really, really hard because that was like the end. Bitcoin was like, oh, yeah, I'm done, right? So just something to take note of, right? So it doesn't mean that we're going to like drop as hard or it's not going to recover as well. But yeah, like I think right now, Bitcoin does not look good. I think that's absolutely a true statement. So we'll see what happens, but I'm definitely making a really strong case that we're about to have a pretty decent crash or a correction on crypto right now. And I'm not sure how I'm going to handle this yet. Not really sure. Yep. Huh. Interesting. Well, at least you can't say you weren't warned because I literally had this posted for weeks now. So, yeah. Right there. Step 3. Interesting, guys. All right, let's talk about some things you guys are wanting to look at. Deep slice. I can't wait to buy more Solana at discount. Yeah, you might get the discount, man. Honestly, you might. Very well might. I think for the rest of the stream, I'm going to talk about where you guys should be looking to buy back in at. Because I think that we're going to get some sort of a drop pretty damn soon. There's a really, really good case on that. Let's go back in here, see what you guys are looking at. Is it too late to get in? I'm starting at the very top. Request for Rlc Analysis for Jake. Oh, I missed you, Bumblebee, but I got you. Okay? I got you, Bumblebee. Let's do Jake. What am I looking at? Request for Rlc Analysis. Absolutely, man. I got you. Rlc. We are at resistance. like right here. As you can see, we are currently at resistance. We are resisting at this level. Absolutely. Like, it's as obvious as can be. Like, is there any question in your mind this is where it rejected at and for this reason? Look, like, guys, like, these breakers are cheating. These are cheat codes, guys. Let me look at the retracement levels. I'm curious. Oh, damn. We're not even near it. From the very top, down to the bottom. Oh, yeah, we're not even near it. Okay, cool. Awesome. That's a good sign, at least. But, yeah, this weekly breaker is absolutely holding us down. And I'm going to do something as well while I'm on stream. I'm going to try to actually double tap here. And I am going to post on Discord as I'm on here, so I give my my donors all the freaking all the alpha. So let's go ahead and post on that as well. So RLC, I don't have one for RLC, do I? Damn. Altcoin Analysis, RLC. It is rejecting at resistance, weekly resistance. Let's see. Yep, it's rejecting at weekly resistance. Let's go to the BTC pairings. Let's look at it. RLC. Nothing on there. Daily looks fine. 3-day. I don't want to call that a week. I don't want to call that yet. There's really nothing holding it down right now on the BTC pairing. Yeah, there's nothing holding it down. I don't know. Not really very clear, honestly. We're sort of just hanging up around on here. Awesome. I'm going to go ahead and post both of these. And these are for my donors on here. So if you are on Discord and you want to get all the up-to-date information, make sure that you are on my Discord and make sure that you are I have a new Patreon, by the way. So if you want to get all the most up-to-date information, I have around 30 slots left for Patreon, and that's it. After that, you have to pay full price. So Patreon right now is only $20, I believe. $20 for the early bird special, and then I'm going to be bringing in a lot of new traders onto the Discord to help me run it and make sure you guys get all the best information. But the $20 is going to be a grandfathered in fee. That's it. So I will not charge any more than $20 for that slot. However, once I get more traders on board and really try to grow this Discord up, I'm sure the price is going to increase over time. So if you get in right now for the next 30 people on Patreon, you're going to get a decreased rate forever. The other guys, if you get in after the first 50, then it's going to be a variable. Let me look if I can. Oh shit, Patreon. Yep, 18 Patreon. So if I go over here, I don't know how to do this, guys. Page, there we are. View page, perfect. So this is what I'm looking at right here, okay? So I have, oh man, there you go. First mover advantage. There's only 32 left. It's $20 a month, and that means you get all the cool stuff on Discord, okay? Like everything, all the alerts, everything else. However, I also have a VIP Patreon as well, which is the same exact thing as First Mover. Nothing has changed on there, except this one is going to change in price constantly, depending upon how much value is being given other traders in there. This will only be $20 a month forever. I'm not going to change this ever again. There's only 50 total spots, and I already have 18, so it's going really quickly. I've only announced it today, so not too bad. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and just keep diving in on this. So over here, I think that looks good. Let's go to the next one. What else we got? ACH, or not ACH. Let's cover EOS. EOS looks awesome. I'm like, telling you guys right now, this looks amazing. Oh gosh, look at this. Okay, look at this chart and just be blown away. Okay, try to understand, try to grasp how important this is. Look at this chart, all-time level chart. Okay. Right now, it's way down here, right? So if you go to the very low time frame, this is where we're currently at. We're right above it. Okay? You're like, oh, that's not very important. What does it matter? All right, I got you. Okay? Go to Ethereum Classic. Do the exact same thing. Go to the weekly chart. Zoom all the way out. Oh, wow. Look at these two major levels on the weekly. Look how well it's been interacted with this entire time. Now, look right here. Okay? Once it got above here, it exploded. And you're like, oh, that's not that big of a move. However, that's the log chart. Okay? Take off the log chart, and then you can see how much of a movement this actually was. 1,600%. And EOS is making a very similar movement right now. So if you don't think EOS looks good right now, you're out of your freaking mind. EOS looks amazing. I did a video on it today, actually. Yeah, it got released today. So funny story, I had that video posted 2 days ago, but since my YouTube account was banned yesterday, it did not get released until today. So yeah, there you go. Now everyone knows. So that's what happened. So good news was I didn't actually have to make a video today because, yeah, my video from yesterday wouldn't even have released. But yeah, this looks amazing, guys. I'm really, really excited about it. Yep, this looks good. Let's go ahead and post that as well. Let's go down to my EOS. Make sure all my donors are hooked up with the information on there. EOS. Still looking solid. No worries at all. All right, let's go to the US dollar pairing on EOS to see if we still look good. Yeah, this looks fine. We're still inside this breaker. I'm still totally fine with this. So even if like these coins drop across the board because Bitcoin's going to go and just shit the bed, we're still going to be okay, right? We're still going to be okay because the Bitcoin pairing will still be fine. And that's our primary bias. And look at this. We're above the 200 moving average. Oh my gosh, guys. This is such a gorgeous, gorgeous play. Yeah, this is beautiful. This is perfect. Absolutely perfect. Yep. I have nothing to say but good things about this right now. Oh, everything's fine. No issue at all. All right, cool. Next one. Rlc Analysis. I've already talked about Rlc, haven't I? Yes, I have. All right. Is it too late to get into ACH? Let's look at that. Is it too late to get into ACH? I don't think so. This is ACH. Let's go to the Hubai one. Is it Hubai or Hubi? I honestly don't know. All right, so this is the daily level, right? So if you can get a dip, oh, we already got the dip. Awesome. Amazing. Guys, oh man, we already had the dip. I don't even think we're gonna get a dip anymore. Yeah. You guys see this though? You go to the lower time frame, let's go to the hourly chart. Okay, look, this level was a daily, right? Okay, watch this. This is some really, really good stuff right here, okay? This daily level right here, you guys can see it's very, very clear. You take a breaker, extend it out. Go to the 4 hour. You guys can see we had a dip, right? Let's go to the 1 hour, really precision it. Look, it got up here, came down here. Where did it find resistance at? Daily breaker. Guys, this you can't get any clearer than this. Now, let's say it keeps falling. Where are we going to find support at? Maybe the next level? Maybe, right? That makes sense to me. So, if we can get down here, that'd be an amazing buy. Okay, let's say we come down here and they come up here, right? Is that possible? Absolutely. But it also could do this. Okay? Both of these places are absolutely legitimate possibilities. I don't know which one's going to go. Like that and that, yeah. Let's go to ACH. Do I have an ACH? I don't. All right, let's go over here to my Altcoin Analysis, ACH. And it's going to be still looks fine. Retested, solid retest of the top daily breaker. If we lose it, we will follow arrow to second daily breaker. Should act as a major support. Any lower and we got problems. There we go. See? Just like that. Oh shit, and actually push it. Let's go down. There it is. Awesome. Perfect. Okay, so I hope that makes sense, guys. Okay. If we go any lower than that, we'll be retesting our golden pocket region. I don't want to see that. Okay. I think we've already established enough support here. We shouldn't go any lower than this. We've already accelerated enough to the upside. So I don't want to see it go any lower. But overall, it looks totally fine. Let's look at the BTC pairing. Oh, yeah, looks fine. Oh, yeah, this looks good. This looks good. We're finding resistance right there. What? No, that's not right. This is a glitch. It's a graphical glitch on here. It doesn't. It's this candle closed right here, but the candle opened down here, and this candle closed up here, but this candle opened up here or down here. So there's a glitch right here. It doesn't make sense. So I wouldn't try to make breakers on here. It's just a really jacked up chart. So just be aware of that. Okay, so yeah, that looks really good. Alice. Draco. I'm telling you, man, Alice looks awesome. I have not posted about it yet, but this looks, guys, oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ooh, baby. Look at this retest. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. All right. I'm trying to remember exactly why I had these levels annotated the way they did. But I think it was just like an overall, like, this is what I'm expecting. But it's worked out. This channel's been interacted with very, very nicely. This looks perfect. Very happy with this, guys. You guys see that, though? Okay. So channel. Are channels corrective? Or are they corrective? Or are they they're corrective, okay? It's a corrective or impulsive. Are they corrective? Yes, it's corrective because channels are massive signs of corrective structures, which means if this is a corrective structure going downward, what's the direction? Up, right? You see an up, massive impulse, corrective structure, continuation up. Beautiful. Alice looks great. So funny story, a buddy of mine used to make a drink he would call Alice, and it was just like this monstrous drink that would just mess you up. So anytime I hear Alice, I get sick because it just makes me think about that. So he always called it Alice because it was like really, everyone just trusts Alice. It's just like, oh, Alice, no big deal. But it's actually just messes you up really, really bad. So, that's a 50. Daily breaker right here. Go all the way across. It looks like it's accelerating for the upside. Yeah, looks fine. I think Alice looks amazing. Does it matter that the previous bull runs have occurred in November, January? No, I don't think it does at all. So IT 300, man, history rhymes, but it doesn't always repeat itself, right? So if you get stuck in time frames, you can have a really, really bad day. Okay. What I would focus on though is waiting until there's massive weakness in the market, like what we're seeing with Bitcoin right now, right? That is a major sign of weakness in the market. This is concerning, okay? Don't stress about what the like time frames and stuff, right? What you need to focus on is whether or not the market looks good or bad right now. If you have these preconceived time frames or price targets, you're going to subliminally take yourself or subconsciously take yourself out of a trade way too early or way too late, okay? So if you were sitting around waiting until November or January to pull out, the market very well may crash to the depths of hell in like October, right? Or it may keep going until April. So you don't know. You don't know what's going to happen yet. So don't stress about time frames. Don't even stress about price targets. And that's something that people really have to fully understand. Anyone who tells you they know what price it's going to get to is full of crap. Okay? Right now, if any trader tells you this coin will get to this price target, they are full of crap. Okay? Go back in time and find me any trader. How about this? I'm going to do this. All right. Anyone on this chat, okay? Anyone on this chat, okay? This is my personal thing for you. Anyone on this chat who can go and find someone, let's see. Anyone on this chat who can find a Twitter post that can be verified as legitimate. Where's the right one? A Twitter post that is verified to be legitimate prior to, okay, here's the key, prior to 2017, or even this, prior to March of 2017, this entire time frame of XRP, find me a single post that says XRP will get to, and not above, it will get to $3 to $4. I'm going to give you that massive range, $3 to $4. If you can find a Twitter post anywhere on the web, I don't care where it's at, that says $3 to $4, I will personally send you $100 of your favorite crypto. Okay? Whatever that is. Or let me rephrase, I'm not going to say any crypto, but a crypto that I actually own, which you know what I own because if you go to my, what is it called? Active holdings, you know all the crypto I own. So pick a crypto in there and I will send you $100 of your favorite crypto. If you can find a Twitter post or something like that can be verified as accurate between $3 and $4 was the target, but they made that post in March of 2017 or earlier. That's my bet to you guys, okay? I'm going to prove a point that no one in the freaking world, okay, speculated that XRP was going to get to $3 and $3 to $4. I don't think it's possible. I really don't believe it is. Okay, let's go back on. So yeah, instead of focusing on price targets, just focus on the actual waiting until there's weakness in the market, and that's it. It's too easy, guys. All right, where are we at now? Alice is done. ADA for September 12th. I'm confused on the question, homie. Hit me back up again, all right? Let me know what's going on. Bitcoin Ukrainian, awesome, brother. Nice to have you in the chat. Really do appreciate it. Homie, by the way, I use 5 EMA, 13 EMA, and 50 EMA on the hourly to assess momentum going up and down. I mean, yeah, that's not a bad idea. And I'm a big believer that a lot of different strategies do work. A lot of them do. And I've seen a lot of successful traders using a whole ton of different things, right? The important thing is that they are systematic and disciplined in their approach, and they are successful. As long as you use proper risk mitigation techniques, yeah, you can be successful with a ton of different ways. I'm very successful in the way that I do it, okay? In the way that I do, I'm very successful, right? But I'm very systematic in what I do, which means I'm successful at it. And when it shows weakness, I sell. When it shows strength, I buy. And that's how I trade, right? So as long as you do actually use what we're looking for, as long as you use discipline and risk management in your trading style, yeah, you can absolutely be successful with it, 100%. EOS prediction, I mean, I already brought that up, so got that. So yeah, Bitcoin, I gave you that information. J-Man, EOS prediction, I got you as well, man. CQT, a decent hold for Altseason. I have no idea, Peter, but let's check it out, man. I don't know. CQT, let's look at this sucker. CQT. So I'm cracking. Oh, OCAX. Oh, gosh, I don't like that. Is it going to be decent? Give me a decent chart. Give me a decent chart. Please, 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 please be a decent chart. That's not bad. I can work with this chart. Okay, good. Yeah, I can work with this. Okay, cool. Let's check this. Let's chart out. Covalent. I don't know anything about this chart. Nothing. I know absolutely nothing about this chart. But we're gonna check this out. Well, the first thing to look at this. Okay, perfect example. Remember my volume statement, right? I talked about volume. You want to see an increase in volume as it's going up, right? I talked about this. So let's go to the... Look, do you see how volume is slowly increasing as it's going up? You guys see that, right? Okay, price is going up, volume's going up. Is that bullish? Yes, right? Now, we did have a massive drop here, which is bearish, right? But I think we already played it out because now, when we get down to the very end, what is the volume? Really, really low again, right? So, of course, because the volume is so low, now the price starting to pick back up. However, look at this. Volume is actually not that high over here. This is a little bit concerning. But the good news is that this is absolutely, without a doubt, 100% impulse of movement up. Beautiful, beautiful impulse. Okay, so now we've retraced. Where did we retrace to? Let's find out. There's a start of impulse right here. Go to the very top. Could you call the start of the impulse? Maybe. Either way, let's call it there. I think that's probably the better part of the impulse. Okay, so there you go. We didn't actually touch the golden pocket. But right now, looks like we actually have low volume right now. So I think if you can get an entry in the golden pocket, that'd be amazing. Okay, so if you can get an entry anywhere in here, this would be like an absolute dream buy scenario right here. Okay, yeah, CQT, perfect, right? Let's go to BTC pairing. See how we're doing. Same exact thing. Start here, go to the top. Okay, same exact thing. I want to get an increase. I want to get a position right in there. And as you guys know, on ACH, right, I was very, very patient. I wanted to wait and wait and wait until we can get a proper entry. And I did, and I got the entry, but I waited a very long time, and that's okay. And that's completely fine. But you need to be patient on these entries because these altcoins move so violently that you need to make sure you use a lot of risk management. And the best way to do that is to try to get the best entry you can. Let's see. Here we go. That's a really good... Okay, so let's look at this. Golden pocket, daily breaker. They coincide. If you can get an entry right here, more power to you. Let's go to the BTC pairing or the US dollar pairing. Let's go to the 4-hour. Nothing. Okay. I don't have anything on this one, but either way, this is basically coincides with the BTC pairing. So that's for CQT. That's where I would try to get an entry at. If you don't get an entry there, let it ride, man. Who cares? Okay. Yeah, don't stress. If you miss an entry on a coin, it's not the end of the world. It's not. Okay. Don't stress, man. I missed ACH 3 times. Okay. I had bids placed 3 separate times before I finally got in, okay? And that's okay. I was very disciplined. I was very patient. Where are we at? DPR coin. Cash in, cash out. DPR coin. I don't think I know what that is. Let's look it up. Whoa, not messing with this, man. Yep, see that? I don't have any charts. I'm not trading it. It may be the best coin in the world, but I will never know. Sorry, dude. If I can't chart it with my indicators, I stay away from it. That's my personal rule. I just don't play with stuff I can't chart. And also, I'm not gonna go to some like sketchy ass trading site. I'm gonna only do what I do because I do it really well. And if I can't trade it on here, I ain't messing with it. Next, ADA. All right, so go to my Discord. Okay, go to Discord. I made an update on ADA today. Okay. Nothing has changed. Go there. Okay. I already typed it out. Already wrote it out. So make sure to check that out, brother. Brian D. Yeah, go check it out, man. ETC buyback in target, and that is on the description page. I have an ADA layout already on there for you, man. Completely free and all that good stuff, okay? ETC buyback in target. Let's look at it, man. ETC buyback in. Why'd you miss it the first time, bro? Damn, I had this one on point. I've done so many videos on this one. I love ETC. Disappointed, man. All right, let's see. How are we looking on this? I don't know, actually. Looks fine. Nothing really stands out right now on this coin. It really doesn't. Is this my level? I want to say it's my level right here. 3-day? No? No? Why is it rejecting right here? I don't understand this. Why is it rejecting at this level? I don't understand why it's rejecting right here. So if it's not rejecting, like if it's just a temporary stop, then it's not a rejection. Yeah, there's no reason to stop here. I can't find any reason why it's stopping here. So personally, I don't think it's going to stay stopped. I think it's going to keep going up. So let's go to the BTC pairing because there's no resistance here. There's nothing here telling me, hey, we need to slow down because we have this major resistance. If we don't have a resistance here, then it's just basically grinding along, and I don't expect it to stop. Let's go to the BTC pairing. Let's see if I got anything on there. Maybe there's a massive thing on the ETC chart I'm just not tracking because it's acting as a major resistance, and I just don't know about it. I don't see it. No, this looks like it's adding a support. If you want to try to get into ETC, like now's the time. See that? We are currently resting or damn near resting on support. We've already had this massive drop in the pairing. If you want to get on ETC based upon the Bitcoin pairing, now's the time. Like that's when I'd buy in. A little bit lower if possible. We've already tested it. Let's go to the daily. Why did it reject? It's an ugly chart. It's an ugly, ugly chart. I don't know, man. I don't know why it rejected. I don't know why it rejected here. Maybe it's the 236. Let's see if it's 236. Not really. I don't know why I rejected. Yeah, this is a really confusing chart to me, man. I don't know. Either way, the point is, it's basically resting on this point already. So I would buy like a little bit lower if possible, but realistically, like this is the spot I'd be looking to get in on it. Yeah, this is a major weekly level and it's acting as support. So yeah. And let's go ahead and post this in my Discord for my guys. All my guys who are the donors, the Patreon subscribers. ETC. All right. I look to get in it right about now because it looks about perfect. Right, meow. And posted. All right, great. Where else we at? Yeah, dude, I don't know what's going on with this, man. It doesn't make sense as to why it's rejecting in that spot. It's not the Fibonacci retracements. It's not the 200 moving average. It's not the breakers. It's not anything that really makes sense to me. So this was a massive drop. I don't know why. So maybe there legitimately is a news or fundamental reason as to why EOS is having some problems. Are you guys, or ETC is having some problems? Is anyone in the chat aware of a news or fundamental reason as to why Ethereum Classic is having problems? Let's see. C. Fulch, should you transfer money into stablecoins? I mean, if you want to hedge risk, yes. If you want, or if I, let me rephrase this, right? I cannot give you financial advice, right? But I'm going to tell you right now that if I want to reduce my risk, I would take money out of coins and put them into stable coins, right? Now, and that's actually a really good point. Let's bring this up real quick. Let's say, because right now the level's really clear. The point is, we have a shit ton of resistance right here, okay? The next 10% of Bitcoin increase is very bad, okay? Daily breaker, golden pocket retracement, 702 retracement, okay? And if you want to really get into it, also the 3-day point of breakdown, okay? If you can sit on your hands and go into stable coins on Bitcoin and other alts until we have reclaimed this level, I think it'd be a very safe option. Honestly, I do. 20%, okay? You miss out on 20% of gains, but you would also reduce a ton of exposure. It is very tempting. It is very tempting. It really, really is. It's tempting, guys. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. But yeah, it would not be a bad idea if you really were concerned about this, which there's a very good case to be concerned right now. Then I would probably transfer some of this into stable coins and chill. All right, let's keep going. Can you analyze Contentos? I don't even know what Contentos is. However, of course I will. Whoa, look at that increase. Holy shit. That is great. That is great too. This is impulsive. How do we know it's impulsive? Well, we have a massive increase, right? And we have higher volume than basically anything else in the area, right? Very obvious impulsive movement. Very sexy. Love it, love it, love it. Not only that, look what we got above. We got above the 200 moving average for the first time in a long time. I like this a lot, actually. How much do I like it? How much do I like this coin? Do I like it enough to do a video? Yes. Yes, I think I do. I think I do. Contentos looks great. I like this coin a lot, actually. Yeah, I like this coin a lot. So here's, okay, let me explain to you guys why I like it. I'm not just going to tell you I like it. I'm going to show you exactly why, right? So the first thing I'm looking at is that we have a really clean impulse movement up, okay? High volume on the US dollar or the US tether, as well as high volume on the BTC. This looks really good. You had an increase, consolidation, continuation up, right? Go to low time frame, you can see clear consolidation. Go over here, clear consolidation. So now you have not just a impulse and a drop, you had an increase, consolidation, continuation up. That looks really, really clean. So you have high volume. This looks great. I love it. So if you can get in, let's say you get a drop, and the drop looks like this. Let's say it does something like this. It comes over here, come down here. Oh, maybe. Perfect. Okay. Contentos. This is beautiful. Yep, I like it a lot. So Contentos, let's go ahead and zoom out. Where's a weekly? Is there a weekly breaker? There is, but it's way too big. Yeah, I don't really see anything else, guys. I think that's basically it. But yeah, Contentos looks really good, guys. I like this one a lot. I really do. There's a few levels on here that are a little bit concerning, but overall, I think it looks really, really clean. Let's go to the Fibonacci levels, see where we're at. Okay, so this would be my target. Yeah, this looks beautiful, guys. I like this one a lot. Who recommended this? Contentos. Luis Mercado, man. This is beautiful, man. I like this one a lot. So, yeah, it's a really, really clean chart, really clean impulse. I like this one a lot. Yeah, so if you are on my Discord, if you're on my Patreon group, I'll be posting this. Or if you are on Patreon for my Discord, you will get the notification that this is a clean buy, and then tomorrow morning I will tell everyone else this is a clean buy. And because I'm going to record this video tonight, I'm going to release it tomorrow morning. This looks beautiful, though. I like it a lot. Yeah, golden pocket retracement. That's probably the best opportunity. Yeah, now we have not cleared this yet. We have not officially. No, wait. No, we have not. We have not officially cleared this breaker yet. But overall, this looks really, really clean. I'm going to go ahead and leave this on here for my recording. But yes, this is a clean chart. I like it a lot. I think there is a ton of potential here. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot, guys. I really do. So I'm going to go ahead and post it to my guys. Donor chat, Altcoin Analysis. What is it? Contentos? Contentos. I don't know what the hell that means. Contentos. This one looks great. High volume on the increase. Cleared the daily 200 MA on the BTC and USD pairings. Have cleared a daily breaker. Has not closed above it yet. And the level should act as a strong support if we can get a drop into that zone. Period. Pop, pop, pop. Perfect. All right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. All right. Awesome, guys. Let's go ahead and keep going in. So, yeah, if you guys are donors, if you guys are on Patreon, you guys are getting all the inside information. Even if you're not watching the stream, you'll still know what's going on because I'm going to keep doing this for the people who support me on Patreon. So they're going to get a ton of extra benefits. If you're on my Discord, make sure you're on the Patreon so you guys get all this information. Now, obviously, if you're paying attention to the live stream, you're going to get it anyways. But let's say you're not actually paying attention to the live stream and you're like, oh, there's stuff going on because it is freaking 11 o'clock at night for me, you know? And I get that, right? So I don't stream at the same time every day. I try to move it around a lot. So you'll still get notified no matter what time I'm streaming, whatever, and you'll be like, oh, look at that. I got a chart on there. Awesome, right? All right, neat. Let's keep going. But yeah, I will do a video on Contentos later. I will probably release it tomorrow morning. iMuse. Woo, show me the future, baby. Hell yeah. Alfie. XEC. How are we doing? Okay. I'm actually going to skip some real quick. Okay, I have some recent questions. Let's go about this real quick. Yeah, hit the like button. Yeah, please. I'd really appreciate that if you guys can. That'd be awesome. Oh my gosh, Contentos is still going up? Holy hell, guys. Look, it just keeps going up. This must be my donors. They're probably just throwing tons of money in this sucker right now to pump this sucker. Must be it, guys. All right, let's see. Do I have a full-time job? Yes, I do have a full-time job. Trading is not my full-time job. This is what I do on the civilian side What I do for my full-time job, I am a commercial drone pilot. I'm a commercial drone pilot. I have a Mavic 2 drone, and I do inspections of cell towers for the major carriers across the United States. So I know it's a lot going on, right? So like Nokia and I mean, you guys know all those points. AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, all them. I go out to their cell towers. I will do an inspection with my drone, and it helps ensure that the guys who go up inside those towers don't have to do that because I use a little drone that goes up there and does a full inspections for them. Really, really interesting job. I love it, love it, love it. So, the cool part about that, though, is that that is a really awesome job. And I can only do that now because crypto has been very, very nice to me. So, yeah. I love trading. That's my passion. I really do enjoy it. But the thing is, though, is that obviously I spend a lot of time doing YouTube videos and things like that. And so I need to justify all the time I spend on YouTube by having a Patreon and getting donations and stuff. So my wife keeps happy and lets me keep doing this, right? So I'm trying to buy her a Jeep so she can be happy and let me keep doing YouTube videos. So if you guys can donate me a Jeep, I'd really appreciate it. Preferably, what does she call it? It's some sort of a blue color, a Wrangler. That's what she wants. So very, very picky. Let's see. Okay. I'm trying to focus on things. I'm getting really tired. I'm trying to focus on the big ones. Which wallet do I use? I use a Trezor Model T. A Trezor Model T. That's my wallet that I use. It's awesome. It's a hard wallet. Obviously, I maintain my own stuff. I keep it all off the exchange. Personally, I don't stake many of my coins because I'm really, really big about keep maintaining my own keys myself. But if you can find a staking site, like a staking validator or nodes that you trust, that's awesome. Great opportunity. I just keep mine personal because I don't trust people. Sorry, I just don't. So, yeah. Oh, that's funny, man. Peter, are you serious? Dude, we need to talk. You need to hit me up on Discord. We need to talk because I need to talk to you because natural gas pipelines are like inspections and stuff like that. That is like no shit, like the industry we're trying to get into, and I need contacts for that. So make sure to hit me up, man. I want to talk to you. Like no kidding. Yeah, hit me with Discord. Like legit. All right, let's see. Yeah, what wallet do I use? Oh, you're talking about what exchange do I use, aren't you? So I use a few different exchanges. Well, I use two mainly. The main exchanges I'm using are Coinbase Pro, and I also use Binance.us. I have affiliate links in my description if you guys want to check those out. Really appreciate it, right? Personally, I think Binance.us is garbage, and I've talked about that on a video. I got lots of videos. I got videos for everything, right? So I have, I talked about Binance.us and how it's absolute garbage. I do not like it. Right here. Oh, right there. Look at that. I stopped using Binance.us, and you should Binance.us, and you probably should as well. Reason why is because they have a lot of really, really shady crap that they do, and I do not tolerate it. So if you really are curious about Binance.us and all that good stuff, make sure to check that video out, guys. I didn't give any views on it, and it's really, really concerning because like I really not like this exchange. I do still use it, but I keep my trades very short. What I'll do is I'll take my Trezor, I'll unlock it, throw my coins on there I want to trade, do a quick trade, and I get off that site within like 30 minutes. Like I'm that fast. I hate this site that much, but it has a lot of coins that I can't get in a lot of other places. So mainly I use Coinbase Pro. Even though the fees are outrageously high, the security to me is worth it. So I don't always get the best deals, but because my my time frames are so high, I don't think it's that concerning. So I still do it. And yeah, that's my thoughts on that. Okay, let's see. XRP. Trying to focus on some. Let's see, what else? Yeah, Peter, we need to talk, man. Oh, you thought it was an army drone? That's funny. Yes, I'm in the army as well. I do that, but no, I don't use that. So no, army drones are a whole different thing. Can I hear your thought process on how to find potential breakers? Yes, I am going to do that actually. I'm going to do that right now. I think that's a really, really good one. Let's do that. So how do I find potential breakers? Well, breakers are, so let's go to a fresh chart. Fresh chart. I don't think I've done Wi-Fi in a while. Yeah, perfect. So Wi-Fi, you're in finance, okay? This is a massive chart of year-end finance on the 4-hour. You guys can see it's all nice and ugly, right? First thing you do is go to the monthly chart, okay? And I'm going to go on here and I'm going to say, hey, where are my major breakers at, right? Well, what is a breaker? A breaker is an area with massive consolidation and a stop in the current price action. So like for instance, this goes up, it goes down, okay? Is this a breaker? Technically, right? Because it continues back up. But it's too large. I like really tight consolidation structures. So what about this one though? It goes up, down, continuation up. Is this a tight consolidation structure? Yes. So I'm going to annotate it, right? This right here is a consolidation structure. This is a monthly breaker. Now, just because it's a monthly breaker, is it significant? Okay, no, it's not. What you want to look at is are there interactions with this breaker that make it significant? Well, you had a drop in here, a drop in here, a drop in here, and every single time this level was supported by this breaker. All these drops were supported by this breaker. So is this breaker significant? Yes, absolutely is significant. This is a massive, massive monthly breaker, and because of previous price action, if it drops in there, this will act as a major support level. Does that make sense? Like this is literally it. You guys see this? Dropped in there, dropped in there, dropped in there. It supported it 3 times. That means if it drops down there again, more than likely it's going to hold, right? And that makes sense to me. All right, now you have the monthly breakers listed out. Go to the weeklies, okay? Same exact process. Look for major price levels that interact very well. On the weekly, I don't see anything. There's nothing here of significance. Now, this level's significant, okay? Now, it's not anymore because it's so far away from the current price action, but if you list this out, look at the interaction. Came up here, tested it, got above it, tested it, jumped up, right? See that, right? This interaction with this level is very significant. So this is a weekly breaker, right? It's a very strong weekly breaker, but it lost its interaction down here. So is it still significant? I would say no. It's no longer significant because it no longer has impacted the price on this area over here, right? And that's how I do my breakers. So now I don't have any more weeklies. Go to 3-day. Well, 3-day breakers. Yeah, right here. Perfect. Okay. Look at the interaction. Okay, you want to look at the interaction that you've had so far. So over here, came up here, tested it. Where did it reject? This 3-day breaker, right? Does it support there? No, I don't think so. So either way, you guys can see that, right? So this is how you can tell whether it's this a serious level or not. So this is a 3-day breaker. So until it gets, so what it's going to do is keep beating against it until it breaks above. Now, if it gets above, okay, let's say it does something like this. Let's say it does finally jump above here. Should this act as support level? Yes, right? Because this, oops, whatever, this works. This should act as a major support level, okay? Because it's a 3-day level that has already acted as a resistance. So anything that acts as a resistance prior should act as a support level next time. So came up here, tapped it, got above, reclaimed it, continue up. Perfect. That's what you're looking for, right? Yeah. Let's go to the daily. This right here. Okay, another one. Okay, daily level. Breaker. How do you know? Tested it, tested it, tested it. It also tested it right here as well. Okay, broke down below, tested it, went down. So if you get up here, should this act as a support, a resistance? Yes. Why? Because this breaker's there. Okay. Ooh, Wi-Fi is actually... It's currently pressed against this major 200 moving average. This looks good. Yeah, awesome. All right, guys, I am going to go ahead and get off. But I want you guys to make sure you guys check out the Discord. Understand that I do have the Patreon side now. So if you do not have Patreon, you're not going to get as much information. And I only have 30 slots left. Once those 30 slots are filled, the price is going to get significantly higher. Just be aware, okay? But if you get in now, it's always going to be $20 a month, and that's it, okay? No higher. But if you wait, it's going to increase. This is my fair warning to everyone here, okay? So, yeah, it's really, really awesome, though. As you guys can see during the stream, I'm getting a lot of content to these guys. A lot of really awesome stuff, guys. So, yeah. All right, well, I'm going to let you guys go. Make sure to join the Discord. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Join me on Twitter. Join me on Facebook, all those good platforms. And I will release a video tomorrow morning like always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Deuce.